Hello guys, so welcome back to Dragon Motion. Today in this video I am going to review this mic to you guys.
Okay guys, so first of all we will talk about the quality of the mic. So according to my suggestion, this mic suits the price of that we pay for it. The price of this mic is about $3, and if we talk about rupees, so it is about 400 rupees. So if we talk about the quality of the wire of the mic, so it is very good. And if we talk about the quality of the jack, so it's all okay. Now guys, I will show you the voice sample which I recorded with the help of this mic.
Okay guys, now I have attached my mic with this phone. So now we are going to test this mic, that how does it sounds. So I am going to start the recording. Hello guys, welcome back to Dragon Motion. Today in this video I am going to show you the gameplay of my new game. This is just a testing of mic. You can see that the mic is performing really well and catch each sounds really well.